let's go to page 332 and start with number 23. Okay, so you have the vertex at 3, 5, and the y-intercept. So y-intercept equal to 2. Okay, so y-intercept, again, you have to know what this point means. Okay, so y-intercept equal to 2, and that means the point is at 0, 2. Okay. Okay, so again, you want to start with the template y minus k equal to a times x minus h squared. Okay, and so this is your h and the k. So substitute this in here. So you got y minus 5 equal to a times x minus 3 squared. Okay. Okay, now you have to find a. Now don't do it over here because you don't want to clutter up over here with your too many little steps. So go off to the side. Okay. So you got y minus 5 equal to a times x minus 3 squared. And you're going to put this point in here so that your x and the y. Okay, so you're going to get 2. Again, put in parentheses. Parentheses tells you that that's what you substitute. So minus 5 equal to a times 0 minus 3 squared. So you got negative 3 equal to a times this square will become 9. Okay, and then you divide by 9 on both sides. So a equal to negative 1 over 3. So once you find a equal to negative 1 over 3, then what you do is you go ahead and substitute in here. So you got y minus 5 equal to negative 1 over 3 times x minus 3 squared. And that would be your equation. Okay. Okay. Let's go to next one. Okay, so this is going to be the same thing. So the vertex is at 4, 2, and one of the x-intercept is equal to 3. Okay. Okay, again, you have to understand what this means, right? X-intercept is when y equal to 0. So this is a point at 3, 0. Okay, because this is where you cross over the x-axis. Okay, so you can start with your template. Y minus k equal to a times x minus h squared. Okay, so substitute this in here. So you got y minus 2. That's your h and the k equal to a times x minus 4 squared. Okay, so now you have to find a. So just like the previous one, again, you don't want to get a lot of little steps over here. You're going to lose track of what you're doing. So go off to the side. Okay, and substitute this point in here. So that's your x and the y. Okay, so you're going to get 0 minus 2 equal to a times 3 minus 4 squared. So you're going to get negative 2 equal to a times, okay, so 3 minus 4 is negative 1 squared will give you positive 1. And so a equal to negative 2. So once you find a equal to negative 2, you come over here, you substitute. And that's your answer. Okay, so again, you don't want to do all this over here because if you get too many steps over here, you're going to lose track of what you're doing and you're going to end up getting confused. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so we are done with looking for equations. So it says if the parabola, so this is number 27. Okay, you got y minus 8 equal to 3 times x minus h squared. And it says you have a x equal to 5 as axis. Okay, and you're looking for h. Now h equal to question mark. Okay. Okay, well, axis is always goes to the middle. So what happens is you have this situation. Okay. So here's your axis, and here this is your vertex. Vertex is your h and k. Okay, and here's your axis. So if x is x equal to 5, that means h has to equal to 5, okay? Because again, axis goes through the vertex, which is the h. So from here, you can see h equal to 5, okay? So you can put in here, so you got y minus 8 equal to 3 times x minus 5 squared, and that's it. Okay, well actually no, you're looking for h equal to 5. Okay, you don't have to look for equation. Okay, so just this. So that's your answer. Okay. But if they ask you for equation, that will be your equation. Okay. So okay, let me go and get rid of these. They didn't ask for the equation, they just asked for the h. Okay, so that's it. Okay, 29. Okay, so you have parabola y minus 3 equal to a times x minus 1 squared, and it passing through the point. So a point is at 2, 5, and you're looking for a. Okay. Okay, so the point that when it passes the point, that's your x and the y. So you can just substitute just like what we did before. Okay. So substitute, you can find a. So you're going to get 5 minus 3 equal to a times 2 minus 1 squared. So you're going to get 2 equal to a times 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, square equal to 1. So a equal to 2. Okay.